Hello my lovely people, you are welcome back once again to my channel. Like we learned in our previous video on how to make single crochet, so this is what you can use a single crochet to do. And then in this episode we are going to learn how to make a simple but beautiful earring, and so stay tuned, and I hope you can be able to make it at the end of the video, and then even make different colors for your friends and loved ones. As we begin, I'm starting with a 3.0 hook. That's my knot neatly done. In the first row we are going to chain 32, so just a single crochet 32 chains. So that's my 32 chains ongoing. Follow up, chain your 32, and then let's move on. I promise you this video is going to be simple and nice, and I hope you will like your work after. So that's my 32 chains done. In the next row we are going to work in the third row. So you skip 1, 2, and then you work in the third as you see me do. So yarn over and then work in the third by doing a double crochet. That's it, double crochet, neatly done. Double crochet, skip 1 and then work in the second one. Skip 1, work in the second, double crochet, and then you chain 1, yarn over, skip, work in your next one. Chain 1, yarn over again, work in your second. Good. You chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, work in the second. So that's basically what we're doing for our next row. So you chain 1, yarn over, double crochet in the next. So always you skip 1 and then a double crochet. Great. So chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, and then work in the next. That's it. Chain 1. Good. Yarn over, skip 1, and then work in the next. So that's the end. I hope you've gotten this so far. If you follow keenly, this is how your work should look. Now you turn your work, and then a double crochet in our first hole. That's it. So we are going to do 7 double crochets in our first hole, 2. So that's 2 done. That's 3. That's 4. 5. 7 double crochets in our first hole. and then we're going to do a slip stitch in the next hole. So in the next hole, as you see me do, just a slip stitch. That's it. Slip stitch, you just pull it through. Good. That's our slip stitch done. In the next hole, 2, that's it, 7 double crochet again. So in this row, that's basically what we're going to be doing. 7 double crochets in every hole. You slip stitch on the next hole and then you repeat. 7 double crochet in the hole, slip stitch in the next hole, and then you proceed again. So that's basically what we are doing for this round. So as you can see, that's me on my 7th double crochet. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more to go. That's a 7 double crochet. And then the next will be your slip stitch in the next hole as well. Yes, your slip stitch. Good. And then we repeat 7 double crochet in our next hole.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
So that's the end of our 3rd round. Just cut it up and then tie it. Make sure the ends are neat. And then that's it. If you follow keenly, you should have something like this. It's looking beautiful already. Yeah, you should have something like this at the end of your work. You just fold it up. You can decide to do it with the front or do it with the back. Any of them works perfectly. Yeah. So that's a rose earring almost ready. Almost ready, yeah. I'm trying to secure the end to have a good and a neat work here. So the long rope that we left or we kept just before starting the work, this is what we are going to use it for. We're going to use it to keep our work in shape, our project in shape. Yes. So that's my needle. Yes. After folding it up, you just try your best to secure it as strong as possible. So just work through it until you feel your rose is very much secured, and then you can tie it up. So you get your earring, you open it up, and then any hole of your choice, you just put it through, and then you can close it up. I was supposed to use a plier here just to close it up. So you can get a plier just to close that side up to secure your earring. But then, as you can see, my earring is ready, looking beautiful. I hope you give this a try. You can try with any color of your choice, and you can get all the items I used on either Temu, AliExpress, Shein. Feel free to comment and share your work with me. Thank you for watching. Bye.